You're using an AI system or tool. With so many different AI systems out there, why using AI prompts is important to get the best results from them. AI prompts are important to get the best results from AI tools, because they provide the AI with the information it needs to understand what you want it to do. AI tools can still be confused about what you require from them if you don't provide clear and concise instructions. The more specific and informative your prompt is, the better the AI will be able to understand what you want and produce the desired output. This is especially important for complex tasks, such as an informative blog, emails, writing different kinds of social media creative content, or answering challenging questions. By providing clear, specific, and informative prompts, you can help AI systems understand what you really want them to do. Therefore, generate more accurate, relevant, creative, and controllable outputs. AI prompts are an essential tool for getting the best results from any AI system. But how do we harness its full potential? AI prompts are your secret weapon, making AI systems your personal allies. They turn possibilities into realities, optimizing your performance every time. No more guessing, only results. AI prompts are not just commands, they unlock the genius within the AI. Don't just use AI, master it. Join our Facebook group, Marketing Masters, today.